you will learn a new thing, that is same letter, different sounds. Okay, here you can see some words like apple, table, cycle, cat, elephant, eagle, ginger, girl, ocean, cot, fine and iron. So some words are there, and here you can see that there are same letter, means I have written here two words with same letter. Okay, means with A here is apple and table, with C cycle and cat, with E elephant and eagle, with G ginger and girl, with O ocean, cot, and with I fine, iron. Okay, so the topic is that same letter, different sounds. Let's see. The word is apple. A-double-P-L-E. So here A sounds like A, means short A sound. Apple. Okay. Next, table. Table. Spelling is T-A-B-L-E. Table. So here A sound A. Tay. Means long A sound. Table. Okay. So apple. A sounds like short A sound A, and tables A sounds like long A sound A. Next move on cycle and cat. Cycle, C-Y-C-L-E, cycle. So first C gives the sounds like S, okay. Y-C-L-E, cycle. Here C sounds like K, cycle, okay. Next cat, C-A-T, cat. So here C sounds like K, okay. Means you know the C phonics sounds like K. So cycle, first C sounds S, second C sounds K. And here also cat, so C sounds like K. Next is elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. E sound, first E sounds like A, means short E sound. Next E-L-E, elephant, L-E, E, okay. Here second E sound is long E sound like E. First E sounds like A, second E sounds like E. Elephant. Another one word, eagle. So first letter E gives the sounds like E. Again long E sound. Eagle. And the last E you can see here, means after consonant. L is the consonant letter. So after consonant, if E is there, that vowel, it will be silent. Okay. Don't give any sound. Next is ginger. Ginger. G-I-N-G-E-R. So first G. G makes the sounds here. G. G. Okay. Ginger. Again G sound. Okay. So here G gives the sounds J. J sound. Okay. Ginger. And next is girl. G-I-R-L. Girl. Here G gives the sounds like G. G. Okay. So the sound difference is here J and here G. Next is ocean. O-C-E-A-N. Ocean. First letter is O. Ocean. Gives the sounds that long O sound. O. Ocean. And next is cot. C-O-T. Cot. Here O gives the sounds O. Means short O sound. Cot. Cot. Okay. Here long O sound and here short O sound. So the difference is ocean's O gives the sounds O and Cod's O gives the sounds like O. The last one, fine, F-I-N-E, fine. Here I sounds like fine, fa-E. I sounds like E, means short E sound, E. F sounds like F, een. Okay, een means N sounds like N. So N is the consonant letter, that's why after consonant if there is E, that means don't give any sound, it will be silent. So here I sounds like E, fine. Next is iron, iron, I-R-O-N, iron. So I gives the sounds like I, means long I sound, iron, iron. Okay, I gives the sounds long I sound. Here fines I gives the sound short I sound. Clear? So watch this video and learn it.